If you have sons or daughters in today's society who have access to the internet, the chances of them having been exposed to online pornography are extremely high. Pornography is one of those things that has infiltrated every space and unfortunately almost every year group from pre-high school onwards. And as a Muslim mother of sons and daughters, I have a heartfelt plea for all parents out there. And that is, monitor your children's internet usage. Too many parents give their children devices and do not monitor them. What that means is that your child has access to anything and everything that there is out there online. And statistics show that children, as I said, have been exposed to pornography sometimes as young as 9, if not younger. So be aware of this when you're giving them access, and don't give them unfiltered access to the internet. Check their history, talk to them about the dangers that are online, and install software that allows you to see what their online activity is. That's the first thing. A second, don't ever think, not my child. Because this type of thing does not impact only the children of certain families. No matter what degree of practicing, no matter what cultural background you come from, pornography has a way of infiltrating. Once it comes in and your child is exposed, the trend is for them to search for more and find more and find more and more and more. And there's a pipeline. So it starts with something soft and it gets harder and more hardcore, and it becomes an addiction, especially if it ends up in masturbation. And this is something that as mothers and fathers, we cannot shy away from. If your child develops a porn addiction in their teenage years, this is bound to impact them in their adult life. Not just while they are young and being exposed to some of the vilest images, completely haram, but also extremely degrading, humiliating, and desensitizing. That they're exposed to that in their teenage years. It impacts their thinking, impacts the way that they feel about themselves, the way they feel about others, the way they view women, men. So this is not something that we can afford to turn a blind eye towards. And for those who have had a long-term addiction, it actually impacts their performance when they marry. And so there are many, many women who complain of a husband who is completely uninterested in them because he's addicted to porn. And all he sees is porn, and he's so desensitized to anything real. So as a community, we are not immune. Unfortunately, we are not protected unless we protect ourselves. We all know it's haram. We know this. This is not a khutbah about that. It is practically, how can you protect your children from this? How can we protect our young people? And if you are a young brother or older brother or sister who is addicted to pornography, please seek help. There are Muslim organizations that work in this field that will help you to detox from pornography, that will help you to recover from your addiction and start living a healthy, honorable life again. If you are an addict, you know how it feels. And you know how low this will take you and your iman. So please seek help, and don't ever think, I'm the only one, I can't, I'm a Muslim, this could, I can never share this with anyone, this is, I'm the only one. You're not the only one. Reach out to Muslim organizations that are currently helping young people and older people to recover from addiction and take back control of your life. And may Allah make it easy. Ameen.